Hey, what is happening? It is your man KR. Super excited about our Mpc Chill Nation. Guys, we're doing that. Just like you see that gentleman kick back right there looking at the waterfalls. Man, every day we are relaxing, making money, no stress. We're not running to jobs. We're just chilling out doing the things that we want to do every day, guys. This thing is amazing. Mpc Chill Nation was created by the Money Power Club. That's where the MPC come from. And this organization has been helping people to make money ever since 2012. And now we're coming out of the gate here in 2022, going into 2023 with that heat. I'm talking about this is that heat, hot compensation plan. Our mobile app just came out today. Today is the 8th of November and our mobile app just launched. And guys, imagine being able to have an app on your phone that the only thing you got to do is send invitations to other people to get the app and you get paid. And I'm not talking about paid a little amount of money. When I go over this compensation plan, it's going to blow your mind. I mean, it blew mine when I looked at it, and I am super amped up, super excited about this. You guys need to get amped up, get excited about something, right? That's what we need to do. We've had some hard years here dealing with COVID-19 and the pandemic, but right now it's time for us to get fired up and excited because this is going to change the way that you make money. Now, everybody knows that everybody has a mobile device, and everywhere you look, people are actively involved with these devices. So how about using your device to do more than just pay the bill on it or to go to social media sites? Imagine being able to make thousands and thousands of dollars with your smartphone just sitting back chilling. Imagine just chilling at the country club, chilling at the golf course, at the spa. You ladies love the spa, right? Laid back at the spa, sending little messages and invites out to ask others, how would you like to kick back and chill, no more hard work, and just make money? This is super exciting, and I'm excited for everybody that's here and the ones that's getting ready to come in. Now, let's go into this compensation plan. First of all, I want to say we have 3 levels over here at Mpc Chill Nation. We have our silver, gold, and our platinum. The platinum is the bomb, guys, because that's where the money really explodes. Now, on each one of our packages, each one of our levels are the 100 for the silver, 250 for the gold, $1,000 for the platinum. That's big boy. That's why I get excited when I say that platinum level, $1,000 per. Now, what you got to understand is this. We have great products in the back office of each one of our levels. So we have great products and services. So you're not just in here joining something that's just, some old crazy stuff. This is good stuff, good training materials back there, good way to get another little business started from home. Whatever it is you want to do, you're going to be able to do it over here at Mpc Chill Nation. But the one thing you will not do, none of us are doing it. We are not working hard. We're not working hard at all, guys. And we're seeing $500 and $1,000 days by doing what? Finding other people that don't want to work hard. How hard is it to find people that just want to kick back and chill and do nothing? That is the easiest thing in the world to do. And that is what we've put together for everybody. And our mobile app is going to help you to get to where it is you need to be. Now, like I said, we have 3 packages, silver, gold, and platinum. What you must understand and what's going to really blow your mind is that you make $1,350 per person that comes in. I'm going to explain that through the app, through the explanation here on the compensation plan. You're making $1,350 per head. Guys, that is amazing. I'm going to show you how to make this money really quickly, and I'm going to show you how to pretty much do it for free, because once you bring in your first person, your entry is paid. You got your money right back. It's $110 to get started, just $110 to become a member of Chill Nation, and you're going to start receiving 100% commissions off of everybody that you bring in. Let's get started so I can get you in and out and making money with us today. So first of all, we have our silver package, gold package, and our platinum package. The silver is $100, the gold is $250, and that big boy premium platinum is $1,000. Now, just move from the left to the right so you can become familiar with the chart. We have our packages. I showed you the cost, and we're just going to target 5 people. I'm going to show you how powerful this thing is with only 5 people that don't want to work anymore. They want to kick back and chill. Now, I want to say this. Many of us have hundreds, if not thousands of people in our Facebook friends list. This is something you turn on to these guys. This is not none of that Facebook marketing stuff. This is something that's real. People can kick back, relax, and make thousands of dollars. So I'm going to start off with just 5. I don't think there's nobody on Facebook with only 5 friends. There's nobody on Twitter or Instagram with 5 friends. So you do have people that would love to join this. So we're going to start off with 5. This is the donations based upon the 5 people paying in at $100 directly to you, to your Cash App, your Venmo, your Skype, whatever, wherever you're getting paid at, your Stripe, it's up to you. You set your payment processors and get paid, okay? So that's $500 when you base that upon those 5 people coming in at $100. This is your upgrade. Remember I told you that you got the gold and the silver, which is the gold and platinum, which are higher levels, and so these are the upgrades. That bracket right there covers upgrades, and this right here is your most important bracket. This is the money you get to walk away with. So let's get started. Check this out. So let's assume that you're already in, you're a member over here with us, and you're ready to go. You're over here at Chill Nation, and you've paid your $110. The $100 is going to your sponsor. The $10 is going to set up your app and your website, okay? And that's $10 one time. There's no monthly on this, no residuals or anything. You pay one time on each one of the levels. They're yours. There's no residuals to pay. One-time payment on each. Now check this out. You're in, you've paid your $100. You're going to share this with 5 great people just like yourself, right? When those 5 great people say, you know what? Well, yeah, I would rather just sit at home and sip on some juice and tea every day and make money. When they come in at that 100, that's 500 going directly to you. From the 500, you simply upgrade into the next level, which is that goal for $250, and bank $250. Now check this out. You're banking $250, but you only started with $110. So that means that you have your money back. That means you're in the game for free, playing with the casino's money at this point. So now you got $250 in the bank. What's going to happen is those great 5 people that you brought in, those are your members. You tell them, hey man, get out there and let's give this app out. Give this app away, man. This is money to be made. When they do the same thing and duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key, when they bring in 5 great members, they're going to also receive $500. Then they will upgrade to you for $250 each. $250 times the 5, guys. Think about that. $250 times the 5. That's going to give you $1,250. Remember, you started with $110. Look at where you are. This can happen in a week. This is nothing that's stretched out. This can happen in a week. So you got $1,250. What you're going to do right now, you're not going to run to the mall. What you're going to do is you're going to upgrade into that last level, which is that premium platinum for $1,000. But that's okay, because guess what? You got another another $250 going into your bank account. You have another $250 hitting that bank account. So it's pretty cool, right? So now what's going to happen is your great 5 people going to duplicate your efforts once again, going into that $1,000 level with you. Time to 5 people is going to give you $5,000. But check this out. It says 0 upgrade. Why? Because you own all 3 levels, and there's no residual payment. So once you have them, they're yours. So that $5,000 moves directly over into your green, which we call the hot spot. That's where your money is in that bank account. Nothing else is coming out. Now, you've just brought in 5. Now you're going to continue to bring in people, and there's no upgrades for you. So everything that you bring in stays within your pocket. Let's take a look at what just happened. You just put in your pocket within less than a month. If you're somebody that's going to go out here and get these 5 people, and all my members are doing it, $5,500 in 1 month. You have the $5,000 plus the 2 spillovers of $250 for $500. That's $5,500 in 1 month. It costs you only $110 to join over here and get your app set up that's on your phone, right? And you're earning $13.50 per person after they upgrade. That's amazing. Refer just 5 per month to earn $5,500. If you don't do nothing but refer 5 people per month and just work with them and get that app out there to everybody else, you're making $5,500. But guess what? There's nobody on my team that's going to be pulling in just 5 people per month with this type of money. What if you bring in 10? That's $11,000, guys, just from 10 people. Create for yourself a powerful stream of income that pays instantly. This thing is amazing. The only thing you have to do, guys, is get involved, get your 110 in, get set up. Hey, I would not be running chasing these programs and systems that's not working. Get into something where the only thing we're doing is looking for people that's tired of losing. We're looking for people that's tired of spending their money not making none. We're looking for people that's tired of struggling to get to that 9-to-5 job and ready to kick back and relax. We're looking for the people that want to spend their days shopping, hanging out at the malls and the spas, and just doing the things they want to do with their friends and family. That's who we want over here at Mpc Chill Nation. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance. Get back to the person that sent you this, and if it was me, get back in touch with me so I can get you set up. And I want to welcome you in advance to Mpc Chill Nation. Take care.